Tudor food! We are doing baked capon with egg yolks from John Partridge's The Treasurie of Commodious Conceits, 1573. That's an ace name for a cooking book. Anyway, baked capon with egg yolks. Yeah. Capon, I think, is a castrated cockerel, which you're just not gonna get. They do have cockerels down the road. Not feeling it, and this is my first bash at anything kind of Tudory, so might as well just keep it with something that stands a chance of having a go at making a thing that's nice-ish. So chicken, boring. So there's egg yolks all over Tudor cooking books, and they just stuff them and everything and do weird things with them. So I thought this would be a good starting point. So could go either way. So let's give it a go. Let's go. Tudor food. Okay, we've got our egg yolks, which was surprisingly hard work getting them out. There's a lot of egg whites left, so I'm not sure what's happening with that. Right, let's stuff these with cloves. Right, okay, we've done that. What do we do now? Egg yolks are stuffed with cloves, which seems a lot of cloves, but they did love them, didn't they? Right, put the yolks in the coffin with the capon. Let's get the capon. And I think you just kind of put these on it, in it, around it. Okay. Next bit, put them in the coffin with the capon. Done that. Take a quantity of ginger and salt and cast upon the capon. I love how there's no quantities, it's just do it. I think, even though you could get fresh ginger here, I think they would have had powdered, so that's cinnamon. So let's do that. I'll add some of this. Let's cast upon him some salt and ginger. That's it. So bake him for 3 hours. Let's do that. Let's stick him in the oven. Oh, we take 2 raw yolks of eggs and beat it into the verjuice, but we're just going to use our box wine, which is dirt cheap here, and put with sugar sodden together and put it in ye coffin and so serve. And here it is. Ew.
It's like an egg custard with chicken.
Commodious. That's quite nice.
It's just a bit peculiar because you're not used to those 2 flavours being together, but it's actually okay.
I'd eat that. Weird. You just keep want to eating more. It's strangely alright. It's like some form of Christmassy flappy skin's nice. Good!